Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something that I unfortunately recently had to purchase. I just want to start off by saying I did not buy them to capture mice because I don't believe in capturing the mice and having them suffer this like awful death. If I need to capture a mouse, then I get the humane traps, which you put a little like cheese in or something and it closes, and then you release the mouse out into the wild rather than have it die on these glue pads. So that being said, the reason I bought these is because I have some really annoying crickets invading my garage, and I hate crickets. They're disgusting. I hate that you can't kill them, that when you try to kill them they jump at you, and they're just nasty. So that's why I made my husband get these. So this is the brand that he purchased in the past because in his old house he had cave crickets in the basement. But we don't really have a basement, we just have a garage, and like on the first floor that's where we've seen some crickets, and they're very unwanted. So we had to go and purchase this. So this is Tomcat. It's the #1 brand of glue traps in America. They are mouse trap. They are mouse size, so they capture mice, but they work for other critters as well. So if you are getting mouse traps, I don't suggest you get this product. You get the humane one because, you know, I feel bad for the little mouse. I don't want them to get stuck on the glue pad and suffer an awful death. So you can use this for cockroaches, spiders, and scorpions, and most other insect pests. They're super easy to use, pesticide-free, proven effective, and ready to use. You just put them in the areas where you would see the crickets or where they would go or whatever you're trying to capture. So it says Tomcat Glue Traps work without poison or mechanical apparatus. Glue traps take advantage of the rodent's natural tendency to run along walls. When the rodent runs along the tray, they get stuck. Simply dispose of the entire glue trap. Application directions: place Tomcat glue traps for mice at 5 to 8 foot intervals. Important: product in dusty areas by leaning boards against wall, and protect in dusty areas by leaning boards against wall, and place Tomcat glue traps between board and wall. Avoid using Tomcat glue traps in wet areas. Dispose of rodent and glue trap completely. Do not place glue traps where there is a possibility of birds or non-target animals coming in contact with adhesive. Yes, please. That's why mine's in my closed garage, so I don't kill anything like, you know, an animal or a bird. If accidentally contacted, remove with mineral spirits, followed with washing with warm water and mild detergent. So that's how you get, like, some, you know, if a bird gets stuck on it, that's how you would get it off. But please don't use this anywhere where a bird can get on it. Like, please don't leave it outside or anything like that, because really the bird can suffer. Tomcat glue traps represent the very latest in glue trap technology. Our glue formulation has the ideal combination of immediate grip and stretchable holds. How to use: this is what the glue trap looks like. Super easy. Open package and separate Tomcat glue traps. 2. Place Tomcat glue traps in areas such as along walls where rodents or insects will most likely cross over as they move from hiding places to feeding places. After use, simply dispose of the entire trap. Please dispose of captured rodents humanely. Cockroaches, spiders, scorpions, and then Tomcat Brands is in Marysville, Ohio, 43040. Copyright 2017, Tomcat Brands. And there's the little barcode on the back, and then I'm going to take you into my garage and I am going to show you the glue traps. So these are the glue traps in the bottom of the garage, so you guys can see what they look like. Just place them in corners where we've seen the crickets and stuff. So hopefully we're able to get them. There's another one. You guys can see they're kind of small, and we have them just in little spots where we've seen the crickets. Just put them right side up, really easy to use. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys try these out for yourself, and remember to just use these in indoor places only. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night.